Sanibona bafethu uvane lo ngizokhuluma ama-games ade edlala namhlanje. Orlando Pirates ke idlalile namaZulu FC yadraw ngo-1-1. Kaizer Chiefs yadlala neBulwane City yadraw ngo-0-0. Mase kuthi iMamelodi Sundowns yadlala nePyramids FC yadlala ngo-1-1. Yabo. So ngizoqala ngo-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates kule game le, to be honest, I didn't watch too much of le game le. Yabo ngiyibukile i-first half and futhi nakhona i-first half Orlando Pirates ibingadlali ngale ebengitsho ukuthi Orlando Pirates izoyi-approacha ngakhona le game lesi. Yes, sibe nama-chances but ama-chances Orlando Pirates ihlulekile ukwasebenzisa. Yabo muningi umsebenzi kumele wenziwe la. Muningi umsebenzi kumele wenziwe. Ucoach umusha kumele appointwe. Yes, since etook over uMandla Ncikazi akazadliwe. Yebo since etook over akazadliwe, but when you look at the record and the style of football adlalayo, angifuqa manga second half Orlando Pirates ikwazile ukudlala. Yabo negole elihle elikorolo mfana lo Selepe mfethu. That boy is the new age opamanyisa. That boy is the new age opamanyisa. Lo mfana uyalazi ibhola. Yabo it's a pity ke befethu uthi silimalelwe uMbokazi. I hope umfana uya recover soon. Ngizwe kuthiwa le injury yakhe i-twisted ankle mfethu. Angibanga happy ukubona uMbokazi limele kule game namhlanje because yes sesiyavala vele. Njengoba sesivala igame etselandela so idlala against iMagesi. Njengoba sesivala I hope uzoshesha alulame. Yabo I hope uzoshesha alulame because you cannot trust abo Sesane nabo Ndaba because ngeke wathi bawusheshe balulame yini nabo lapha ku-preseason. Yabo so I hope umjida uzoshesha lulame mfethu sikwazi ukuyodlala mfethu mase siyale ku-preseason abe khona naye experience because uzobeqala vele ukuhamba ne-Orlando Pirates yale ku-preseason. So I hope the boy recovers very soon. Yabo le consider yakhona Orlando Pirates, I didn't like the way we considered that goal. Yabo I didn't like it even though it's a own goal and you cannot blame that much uTito Maswangai. Yabo ukwazi kumblame kakhulu uTito Maswangai, but ke it was an own goal elihle ebalikorile lolinganisa. Engakusho mina mwasi ubheke kulabafana abancane Orlando Pirates esibanikeza amathuba. Labafana abancane sebawathathela amathuba lawo bawasebenzisa. USelepe uyakhombisa impela ukuthi umfana uyafuna ukulwela lesa scheme lesi Orlando Pirates. Yabo uyakhombisa ngempela right now. If you can check ama games asawadlalile useyinikeze isikhala sokuthi abizwe uHugo Bros lekubafana bafana. Another player engworried ngayo uRadyopana. Boyitumelo uRadyopana, I'm really worried about that boy bafethu. Angifuqa manga maybe ungangitshela okunye ema comments, but that boy uyanikezwa amathuba. uJose Rivero noMandla Ncikazi sebemnikile amathuba kule season, but umfana angazi for me I don't think unyawo lakhe liyafitha kulesa scheme seOrlando Pirates. Unyawo lakhe ngazi alingeni isho ukungena ku scheme seOrlando Pirates indlela adlala ngakhona. Siyamnikeza amathuba. I know as a striker kuba nzima ukukora uma ungalitholi ibhola. Yabo because ibhola phela lithola labadlali abakunikeza ibhola, but ke yena umjida namhlanje akoranga semizwe uMabasa, but ke uMabasa sesimjwayele bafethu. So ama games ade dlala namhlanje Princess Magogo ade khona iArrows versus Sekhukhune United. Arrows iwinile leyo game. Sekhukhune United ibe nama red card out too. It's a pity ke kodwa iGolden Arrows ikwazile kuyinqoba leyo game. Magesi FC idrawile leyo game ngo-1-1 versus iMarumo Gallants. Yabo izinto azikho lula for iSuperSport United ngoba nayo siyibone idliwa ngo-2-0 ishawa iNatal Rich Boys. It's a good thing ukuthi abafana bakwazile ukuyithola iwin away iRichards Bay FC, and ngale win le bayithathele indawo yokuthi bayodlala iMTN next season. Yabo baphuma number 8 njengoba beshaya iSuperSport United. Yabo kuyangijabulisayo lokho sithola ama team athi kuba xaxa esiwabona kuMTN ala eThekwini. Actually ala eKZN not eThekwini because next season ngashaya ivideo about iRichards Bay iyabuyela le eBay next season. Yabo ngeyisa wadlala ama games awo la eMlazi isizobuyela le. So i-team ezodlala against iRichards Bay iyodlala le. I think izobe iMamelodi Sundowns. Asazi ukuthi yiphi ezodlala home yiphi ezodlala away. Uma iBay idlala home iyodlala le eBay against iMamelodi Sundowns nje uyiphuma number 8. Masukuthi kwamanye ama game iMamelodi Sundowns sethi iMamelodi Sundowns iOrlando Pirates versus amaZulu kubu 1-1. Kwasuthi iKaizer Chiefs versus iBulwane City kwabu 0-0. Masukuthi iCape Town City versus iSteelers kwabu 0-0. Yabo ngizokhuluma ngeKaizer ke right. Angifuna ukuqamba manga. Yabona lo coach ucoach Nabi. uCoach Nabi usenkingeni. Akekho ucoach usenkingeni njengalo coach lo. Yabo singesazi ukuthi kuzokwenziwani. Yabo because ngizwile kuthiwa uCoach Nabi ukuthi ahlale kwiKaizer Chiefs kudetermine le game le. Bekuzodetermine le game le. Ukuba uyiwinile le game le bese sobona uCoach Nabi engahambi. I'm not saying Coach Nabi yabo uzohamba, but engikuzwile mina ngizwe kuthiwa meke wayidliwa le game le noma wangayiwina le game le uyaphela umsebenzi wakhe. Yilo engikuzwile, yabo yilo engikuzwile. And futhi kunalabadlali laba ade funa ukubasayina, kuzowenzakalani ngalo badlali laba ade funa ukubasayina? Ingabe uFiston Mayele usazofuna yini ukuyijoin iKaizer Chiefs ngoba ucoach wakhe ucoach ade ezomlanda ngenzeka xoshwe? Angifuqama because lento le win le ngokwami mina not win njalo le loss le abayisafarishe namhlanje. It's not a loss per se, but it was a draw. Yabo, you can take it as a loss because you are Kaizer Chiefs and you failed to reach MTN it. Le loss le for me kube ngiKaizer Chiefs bengizomgcina ucoach Nabi. Yabo, kube bengiyiboard yeKaizer Chiefs bengizomgcina ucoach Nabi because uNabi labadlali laba azosala nabo uzobatshela ukuthi bukenani-ke umphumela yini, impumela ongadlali kahle. Yabo, impumela ongadlali kahle ibukeni ukuthi inibekaphi. Yabo, next season atlande abadlali abasha azo-reinforce khona la kubheda khona. Phela vele uNabi ufike vele isquad sesibheda, should be told ufike vele isquad sesibheda wazama ukeda labo nalabo badlali. Enye yento yambulala ama-injury. Yabo, uzamile yena ukeda labo badlali wakwazi ukuthola isicoco lesasitholile, wakwazi ukureacha iCAF Confed. Nagcina ngibona iKaizer Chiefs idlala kwiCAF competition. Ade sagcina ukubona iKaizer Chiefs idlala kwiCAF competition. Ade sagcina ukubona iKaizer Chiefs iwina isicoco. So ukuthi lokhu ukuthi akangenanga kuMTN ukudetermine ifuture yakhe iKaizer Chiefs, I don't wanna lie, it was a bad move for iKaizer Chiefs. Kuzobe bad move uma beconsider ukumxosha because kuzoba nzima impela ukuyothola ucoach omusha manje. Uba ucoach omusha enzomthola, okay, enzomthola niyo kwi-preseason. Mase nimthole lo coach lo uzofika abhidlize yonke le project athe sizama ukuyaka ucoach Nabi. Yabo, isquad seKaizer Chiefs bese siqala ukuba deadly right now ekufikeni wacoach Nabi. Right now ucoach uzofika uzoyibhidliza yonke lento esikhona aqale iproject yakhe lo coach lo. Yabo, so I'm really disappointed ngale decision ezothathwa iKaizer Chiefs regarding le loss abayisafarishile yongangeni ku top 8. But ke asazi Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje ihlulekile ukusebenzisa amathuba watholile bafethu. Nimbonile lapho uMiguel eshweba uqekelele, but ke you wouldn't judge uMiguel ngaleyo ndlela because ibhola limthintile lo amjitelwa. Mase ubheke right now indlela ephela ngakhona ileague namhlanje, abamathima amaningi abephela ama games ayo namhlanje igame eyodwa sel. Yabo, amathima amaningi aqedile igame eyodwa sel, igame iPirates neMagesi FC. Yabo, so iMagesi FC iyodlani Orlando Pirates, that's the next game. Mase ubheka la Mamelodi Sundowns they won, Orlando Pirates number 2, mase kuthi Steelers so number 3 sikwazile ukuyothola indawo yeCAF Confed. So Kaizer Chiefs Steelers mase kube Orlando Pirates mase kube Mamelodi Sundowns iwona ama team lawa waza represent mase siyodlala le Africa. Yabo, I'm really happy to see into kanje. Yes, last season bikhona isikhukhuni neSteelers, but ke isikhukhuni esifailile ukudlula ama group stages. But ke iKaizer Chiefs ikhona regarded as a African giant, South African giant I mean. Yabo, so I hope bazokwazi ukulungisa lapho nalapho next season. Uma kodwa bengamxoshi uNabi bazokwazi ukureacha maybe ama knockout stages kwiCAF Confed asazi. Yabo, Steelers no sona siphuma kuma semi final. Mase ngiza kwiSundowns. iSundowns bafetha ngifuna ngiyabona njoba bedrawile namhlanje ngo-1-1. Njoba bedraw ngo-1-1 nje namhlanje izinto ngezibelula masebeyale. Yabo, ngeke zibe lula izinto masebeyale because mawasubheka indlela edlela khona iPyramids ile team le mfethu engakunikeza ukuphumula noma ngabe usuyawina, but iPyramids inaleyo never die attitude. The team, it has a never die attitude. They always come at you noma athi udlala kanjani, but they always come at you. Yabo, mwase ubheka indlela ebadlala ngakona kule first leg, it's the similar way they played against the Orlando Pirates when they played at FNB. Yabo, indlela abadlala ngakona Orlando Pirates FNB ile indlela abadlala ngakona neMamelodi Sundowns ePretoria. Yabo, nje wasekuyiwa le ina advantage Pyramids. Njoba ina advantage mina into engayithipisa ngakona akumele ba defend deep njoba bezodlala neSundowns. They must go all out because they know they have an advantage. If they score one goal, fana ukuthi leyo game izobe siphelile. Yabo, iSundowns izoba nenkinga kakhulu mase kudlalwa le. Asazi ungangitshela ama comments wena ama game namhlanje kuphathe kanjani, but ke iSundowns bengamele eqalise ngama forward amaningi kule game because bebengekho balanced eswing, bebengekho balanced. Iyonto ebabulela kakhulu. Yabo, uvane lo bafethu.